Birth, education and upbringing. Hazrat Allama Maulana Muhammad Mannan Raza Khan Qadri Urf Mannani Miya Sher Raza Sahib is the grandson of Hujur Al-Hazrat Imam Muhammad Raza Khan through the generations. Khalifa Akbar Hujjatul Islam Maulana Hamid Raza Khan's eldest son Mufassir-e-Azam Hind Maulana Muhammad Ibrahim Raza Khan, Radi Allahu Anhum. Sher Raza is the eighth and youngest son of Mufassir-e-Azam. Hujur Mufti-e-Azam is the maternal grandfather and youngest paternal grandfather of Sher Raza. Sher Raza's mother was the eldest daughter of Mufti-e-Azam. Hazrat Maulana Mannan Raza Khan Sahib was born in 1950 in the Khwaja Qutub area of Bareilly Sharīf. Due to a lack of housing, his father went to live at some distance from the Khanqah al-Hazrat in Saudagaran where Sher Raza was born. Sher Raza's education began at home under the feet of his mother Alaiha Rahma. He then went on to study at the Darul Uloom Manjari Islam and graduated from there in 1977. Khilāfat and Ijāzah. Sher Raza had completed al-Bayat, Murid, from Mufti-e-Azam at an early age, and after graduation, he also received Khilāfat and Ijāzah from him. Travel through Pakistan. Lahore. In 1979, Sher Raza received an invitation from his brother-in-law Hazrat Shaukat Hasan Khan Sahib and uncle Hazrat Mufti Takrish Ali Khan Sahib, alayhi rahma, to come to Pakistan. There, in Markazi Majlis Raza Lahore, Sher Raza was able to observe how literary research is being done on Al-Hazrat books. This inspired him to establish such an institution in Bareilly Sharīf as well, in accordance with Mufti-e-Azam's wishes. During the independence of India and the separation of a part of India into Pakistan, a part of the land of Al-Hazrat came into the hands of the infidels, and two infidels made use of it for a small rent. This exclusive property called Fatak is the place where Al-Hazrat carried out the Islamic work and issued fatwa. Sher Raza's brother-in-law and uncle gave him a lot of dua and encouraged him. Karachi. During his stay in Karachi, some Muslims became murid of Sher Raza. In addition, during his trip, he gave speeches not only in Karachi, but also in Lahore and other cities. Residence Raza. Back in Bareilly Sharīf, Sher Raza has made a start to give shape to his ambition, which he has had since childhood. Around 1980, supported and inspired by the mystical power of Al-Hazrat, Mufassir-e-Azam and Mufti-e-Azam, he completed the program to recover part of Al-Hazrat property. Help and support. In 1980, Sher Raza got part of Al-Hazrat house released from the hands of the infidels. In this endeavor, his brother Tajush Sharia Hazrat Allama Maulana Mufti Akhtar Raza Khan Sahib and Maulana Abdul Naim Ajiji also helped him for some time. Mufti-e-Azam's arrival at the house of Al-Hazrat. Sher Raza took back the keys to the house of the infidel tenants and gave them to Maulana Abdul Naim Ajiji and his nephew Afroz Miya to open the house, organize Milad program and take care of the ritual affairs associated with it. No sooner had the door been opened than Mufti-e-Azam arrived with his servant Babu Miya without anyone having informed them of the Milad program. This miracle caused amazement everywhere. The house filled up in a few moments, and Sher Raza received special congratulations from all for his efforts and success. At the end of the Milad Sharif, Mufti-e-Azam made many dua, supplications, to Sher Raza and expressed joy. Residence of Tajush Sharia in Al-Hazrat residence. Sher Raza soon renovated the residence of Al-Hazrat, after which Tajush Sharia Mufti Akhtar Raza Khan Sahib Qibla wished to establish his permanent residence in the house of Al-Hazrat. This house is then home to the office, the Darul Ifta, and the valuable Idaara Ashati. As a result of this effort of Maulana Mannan Raza Khan Sahib Qibla, others were also inspired. The entire residence was bought from the infidel tenants, and the old grandeur of the Saudagaran district shone again. Restoration of the house of Ustaaz Zaman and purchase of the various dwellings of the infidels. In 1947, Al-Hazrat brother and Ustaaz Zaman Maulana Hasan Raza Khan Sahib, alayhi rahma, and other Muslims from the Saudagaran district left for the old city and other neighborhoods. As a result, unbelievers began to inhabit the abandoned dwellings. The house of Mufti Takrish Ali Khan Sahib and of the coreligionists were also occupied by the infidels. Sher Raza got an unpleasant feeling because of this. A Sikh family lived in the house of Ustaaz Zaman. Through the supplication and blessing of Al-Hazrat and Mufti Azam, Sher-e Raza's effort for this property also became successful and bought the property in 1985 with a lot of money. This house was a monumental home of the Raza family. This house became the residence of Maulana Mannan Raza Khan Sahib, which also houses the office of Jamia Nooria Razvia, his accommodation and the guest house. Within a few years, 1999 to 2000, Sher-e Raza bought more houses in the immediate vicinity, so that the alley to Dargah Al-Hazrat and the alley to the house of Tajush Sharia now belong to his property. In some parts of the purchased houses, Sher-e Raza also established the institutes of Hifz-o-Qiraat, Arabic and English language. Students also stay here. Through the efforts of Sher-e Raza, Alhamdulillah, Tajush Sharia also purchased the dwelling which belonged to Al-Hazrat Znan Khana at that time from the infidels. 2 houses were purchased by Qibla Maulana Subhan Raza Khan Subhani Miya from the infidels. 2 other houses were purchased by Maulana Tausif Raza Khan Sahib. These purchased houses were emptied by loved ones of Sher-e Raza Qibla Mannan Raza Khan Sahib. In this way, between 1947 and 1980, the 12 houses where Khanka Al-Hazrat, Raza Masjid and Darul Uloom Manjari Islam are in the hands of Al-Hazrat family. Idaara Publishing House Raza Bareilly Sharīf. After the establishment of the Ahle Sunnat printing works and the Hasni press in Bareilly Sharīf, there has been no special effort for a long time. Mufti Azam then began to worry that the writings of Al-Hazrat were beginning to fade away. He has therefore expressed a special wish for the establishment of an Idaara with the main objective of smoothly securing the writings of Al-Hazrat, printing them in book form and having them work as a publishing house. This institution gave Mufti Azam the name Idaara Isha at Tarnifat Raza.